What's going on, everyone? It is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and I am very excited to be talking to you guys today because just now, minutes ago, Apple debuted the brand new Apple Watch Series 5. It just happened, and we got to go hands-on and try it out. There are several new features to the Series 5, and we're going to kind of go through those high level before we get into an actual, hands-on review that we'll do once these launch and we actually can have them for our own starting on September 20th. So right now we just got a brief hands-on, so let's talk about the new Apple Watch Series 5. So Apple Watch Series 5 comes in 4 different materials. There is aluminum, which there's a light silver option, a darker black option, and a gold option, same as we had before. There is the stainless steel, which comes in silver, dark black, space black, and gold, same as we had in years past. But we also now have titanium and ceramic. Now, ceramic has been around before. It is a very creamy white color, and then there is titanium, which is brand new for Apple Watch. It looks very cool and has a very much brushed finish to it, especially on the silver one. It looks very brushed metal versus like the anodized aluminum, which is kind of that matte finish, the stainless steel, which is very glossy and polished. The titanium is definitely that brushed kind of lined finish to it, very looks metallic. And the black version, the space black of the titanium, is also that brush finished, but it's a little bit more subdued because of that DLC, that diamond-like coating around there that makes it that black color. As far as the weight goes, titanium feels definitely heavier than aluminum, and it's pretty much on par with the stainless steel. So if you like the heavier material of the stainless steel, but you don't like the fact that the stainless steel can so easily get scuffed up and scratched, especially to the silver one, then the titanium may be a good option to go with. Now, while we have had the aluminum for many, many years now, the aluminum now is 100% recycled. It doesn't look any different. It's going to look exactly like the aluminum models we've had in the past, but it is completely 100% recycled now, so that's just a great environmental fact of the new Apple Watch Series 5. Now that brings us to the other big new feature of Apple Watch Series 5, which is the display. We now have an Always-On Retina display. So no longer do you have to worry about waking your watch up when you want to look at even just the time. It's just always going to be on. So a couple things we noticed in our hands-on time is that while third-party complications will dim normally, so you tilt your wrist away, the screen dims down, but it still stays on, third-party complications will dim just like the rest of the watch face. However, third-party apps do not do this. They get kind of a frosted look, and you can see the time on there. So we're gonna have to see how that develops once we get it and get to play around with more apps, but it does seem that it's a little bit different than Apple's own apps in how they deal with that dimming watch face when it goes into kind of that standby mode. So you can still see it, but it's a little bit different between third-party apps and Apple's own first-party apps. Apple Watch Series 5 also now includes a compass. So there's new complications that we got to play around with. It's also its own standalone app, and it worked like a compass. It pretty much seemed like exactly like it should. It was nice when we jumped into the Maps app, we could actually see our orientation, which was very nice and can be helpful when you're navigating just using your watch versus having the Maps app on your phone. And of course, developers can take advantage of this. So we'll have to see how that progresses once developers are able to launch their own apps to take advantage of the new compass in the Apple Watch Series 5. Otherwise, this is an Apple Watch. It does a lot of things. There aren't a huge list of new features, and we didn't see some of the features we were expecting, such as sleep tracking. So this is on sale now. You can literally go to Apple's website and order this right now. There's a new Watch Studio we played around, which is a cool way to choose your case, your sizing, everything, and pick out your models. There are a bunch of new Apple Watch bands. We saw a few of them here in our hands-on time, but there's a lot more to explore online. And you can even try this out for yourself. If you launch your iPhone and head to Apple's website and look at the Apple Watch page, you can view the Apple Watch Series 5 in augmented reality. So you can throw it on your desk and actually look at the Apple Watch for yourself before you go ahead and pick one up. So let us know what you guys think. If you want to order an Apple Watch Series 5, you can find the link below in the description. The Apple Watch Series 3 is still around at a new low price of $199. But I'm interested to hear what you guys think. Let me know on Twitter at Andrew_OSU and let us know your questions and we'll do our best to answer them. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.